Hey guys, welcome to the very first video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. I'm using Office 2021. By the way, when you are watching this very first video tutorial of Excel series, then you are also watching the very first video of this Got It channel, so it means a lot. You may also watch the video tutorials for PowerPoint and Word on this channel. Today, we will be covering 5 things, which are creating the Excel file, zoom in the cells, edit in the cells, copy the cells, and finally save the work and then the file. Creating the Excel file can only be done if Office is installed in your system, laptop, MacBook, or any other device. Right-clicking on the desktop, click New, and then select Microsoft Excel worksheet. Double-clicking the Excel file will open the Excel file. As we have already opened, so I will close this one. Other way of doing it is by typing Excel here and selecting this. This will directly open the Excel file. And again, as we have already opened, so I will close this one. We are done with creating, so putting a tick mark here. Secondly, how to zoom in the cells. If you want to zoom in the area on which you are working, then you can press this plus sign at the bottom right corner of your screen. Currently our screen is zoomed into 180%. Let's increase it to 250% and now zooming out again to 180%. We are done with the zoom in the cells, putting a tick mark here also. Thirdly, how to edit in the cells. In order to understand it, writing Jack. Mistakenly I wrote double C. So in order to correct the spellings, if I press left arrow key, then it moved me out of the cell, writing again this misspelled Jack. Press F2 key and then press the left arrow key. So this is the proper way of editing in the cell, by pressing F2, so you can remain in the cell while editing, pressing enter. We are done with the editing, copying this tick mark under this heading. Fourthly, how to copy the cells. Writing the month names in order to understand it. Select these 3 cells and drag downwards. Notice Excel has filled the series till July. And it is also giving the options here. So if you just want to copy the cells, select copy cells. Now the selected cells are just copied, and again we have the option of clicking here and selecting fill series if we want to fill the series. We are done with copying and filling, so copying this tick mark here also. Now finally saving the work. Press Ctrl and S on your keyboard to save the work. In order to save the file, click File, click Save As, click Browse and choose the destination as you want. I'm choosing desktop. This is it from the very first video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. In the next video tutorial, we will be covering some basic features again, how to put the borders around the cell and how to change the height and width of columns and rows. So thank you for the patience. We hope you got it.